Tired of spending hours in the garden with little results? These 10 genius gardening hacks will transform your plants, save you money, and make your garden thrive, even if you're a total beginner. Hack 1. Use banana peels as fertilizer, rich in potassium and phosphorus. Bury near roses, tomatoes, or peppers. Hack 2. DIY self-watering bottles. Flip a plastic water bottle with holes into the soil. Perfect for vacations or hot summers. Hack 3. Coffee grounds for acid-loving plants, great for blueberries, hydrangeas, and azaleas. Also keeps slugs away. Hack 4. Eggshells for calcium boost. Crushed eggshells prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes. Hack 5. Grow new plants from kitchen scraps. Regrow green onions, lettuce, celery, and water. Instant mini garden on your windowsill. Hack 6. Vinegar spray to kill weeds. All-natural pet-safe weed killer. Just avoid hitting your plants. Hack 7. Use cinnamon to prevent fungus in seedlings. Natural antifungal. Great for starting seeds indoors. Hack 8. Companion planting secrets. Basil near tomatoes equals more flavor and fewer pests. Marigolds are pest repellents near veggies. Hack 9. Plastic forks to keep animals away. A visual and physical deterrent to squirrels and raccoons. Hack 10. Mulch with grass clippings or shredded paper. Moisture retention, weed control, and soil enrichment. Which hack will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home gardening tips every week.